Hello and thank you for tuning in. What we're going to be making today are the crispiest buffalo wings, New York style. So let's kick it off with our ingredients. First, we have 5 full wings and we're going to be cutting those into drumettes and flats. We have corn flour, baking powder, honey, pepper sauce, garlic powder, chili powder, mixed spice optional, salt and peppercorns, cider vinegar, butter, and lastly celery sticks. Enjoy what you eat and please hit that subscribe button. Right, so we're going to start with our chicken wings. What I've done is I've just pre-washed them with some lemon and some light vinegar. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our wings and slice them into our drums and drumettes. So just where the natural movement of the chicken is, we're going to find that V connection and we're just going to slice between the two. And we're going to end up with 10 wings. Right, next what we're going to do is we're going to just create a flour mix. So we've got our corn flour, we're just going to add baking powder, our salt and pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, mixed spice, and just give that a nice good mix. And we're simply just going to pour our mix over our chicken wings and give that a nice good mix around. So we floured and flavored our chicken. What we're going to do is we're just going to put that onto a grill rack to be placed into the oven and baked. So you just want to shake off any excess flour and place your wings with space between them onto the grill rack. Right, so we fully covered our chicken wings. And what the baking powder and the corn flour is going to do is just really try to dry out the skin of our chicken wings and make them extra crispy. So let's take it over to the oven. So I've preheated the oven. It's been on for roughly 3.5 minutes, going on to 4 at 190 degrees Celsius. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop our wings in and come back in 15 minutes. Okay, so we're halfway through. So we're just going to check our wings now. And as you can see, it's starting to brown with a lot of the flour no longer present or visible. So we're just going to flip them over, getting rid of any excess flour. Okay, so while our wings are in the oven, we're going to start our sauce. So I've got 100 grams of butter, 99 grams to be precise, and we're just going to add that to our medium heated pot. and just allow that to melt down. Okay, so we've got nice consistency with our butter. What we're going to do next is we're going to add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and just give that a nice mix around. Next in, we're going to take 1 generous tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and that's just going to add an extra tanginess to our buffalo sauce. Okay, so we're just going to leave this on heat until our mixture starts to brown and thicken up. Right, so we've got it how we want it. What we're going to do is we're just going to take our pan off heat, and then we're going to add in our hot sauce. Fantastic taste. And as you can see, most of the flour is off and our skin is nice and crispy. If there are any bits of flour on, that's not an issue at all. Alright, so we'll take that over to the counter. Nice, crispy. Right, what you can see is the skin is nice and bubbly and golden. Nice consistency, crispiness. So we've got them how we want them. Brilliant. So we're just going to add our chicken into a mixing bowl. And simply just going to give our sauce a last mix and pour it straight in. Just give it a nice quick whiz around. Right, so we're just going to move on to our celery sticks. What I've done is already given them a nice quick rinse. And what we're going to do is we're just going to cut off the ends of our sticks. And there we have it. Succulent, crispy buffalo wings with chips on the side, celery sticks, extra sauce, and a classic blue cheese. Yes. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more recipes and content, please like and subscribe.